Hello YouTube, this is your Zulu Boy mechanic here. So I have this Chevy 3500 with the 6.0 engine. The issue, it had P0300 code multiple misfire random. So new wires and sparks were installed. Still the issue persisted. So I decided to open the valve cover, and this is what I found. That's my number 7 right there. So as you can see, the rocker arm for the exhaust is still there, but the one for the intake, half of it is gone. It's broken, and there's the piece right there, and the rest, of course, number 5, number 3, and number 1 is perfect. So that code, just wanted to share with you. It can be tricky. Don't just jump into doing sparks or wires and assume that's the issue. It could be more than that. It can be a mechanical, can be an electrical or fuel. Anyways, I thought I would share this with you. The engine is still good. This can be replaced, so that's gonna be the next job to be done. All right, I will just grab this piece right there and show you. It's the piece that broke. Okay.